Hey guys, I have here today the all-new 2015 Audi A8 L 4.0T Quattro Tiptronic. The Audi A8 is a four-door, full-size luxury sedan which was manufactured by German automaker Audi since 1994. For the year 2015, few changes are made to the Audi A8. The front bumper and the grille shows aesthetic change as well as the hood. LED headlights and LED tail lights are also redesigned. Also, the spacious trunk offers much more cargo space than the previous models. The Audi A8L includes Audi Ultra Lightweight technology, featuring ASF high-strength aluminum frame, which increases efficiency without compromising rigidity or vehicle performance. Audi Ultra Lightweight technology uses advanced material and construction methods that allow the car to be lighter. Lightweight design means the minimum material in the right place for the best performance. The Audi A8L also features Audi Quattro all-wheel drive, which responds with confidence to weather conditions and the road. Audi Quattro all-wheel drive distributes power to the wheel that need it the most, improving control during inclement weather and performance driving situations. Combine Quattro with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, Audi Servotronic, power steering, and Audi adaptive air suspension to create both a confident and sporty driving experience. Up front, you quickly notice the lighting that accentuate the A8. Audi LED technology help create lighting that's powerful and iconic, not only in the dark of night, but also in broad daylight. The stylish design is aesthetically pleasing and it also increases visibility to others, whether you're going or coming. At the bottom is the high beam headlights. There is the Audi A8 single frame grille, outlined by chrome accenting trims. Looks really nice. And the front camera located right under the Audi four rings. High intensity retractable headlight washer as well as park assist are also built into the front bumper. This particular model comes with the upgraded 20-inch 10 parallel spoke wheels with 265/40 all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated disc brake with the large brake caliper painted in silver for faster stopping. Also feature anti-lock braking system and tire pressure monitoring system. Here is the side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. Looks really nice. Right located at the bottom is the side view mirror cameras, one on each side. On top, you see the beautiful panoramic sunroof featuring two glass panels covering roughly half of the roof, which let you bath the cabin in natural light. The rear wheels also comes with 20-inch wheels with all-season tires and the internally ventilated disc brake as well as the silver brake caliper. To the back, you see the beautiful and iconic LED tail lamps, LED brake lamps, as well as LED turn signal lamps. LED tail lights technology reacts up to 10 times faster than conventional light bulbs, helping alert other drivers quicker. At the bottom is the dual chrome tip exhaust with a chrome accenting trims that run across the rear bumper. Looks really nice. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper. And here's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And there is your third LED brake light. Right on the remote, I have the lock, trunk open, unlock, and panic buttons. And the Audi logo at the bottom. Looks and feels really nice. Alright, let's open it up and check out the interior. Alright, the car does come equipped with smart access key system. So with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Moonlight Blue Metallic, featuring Nougat Brown Vacana leather seats, black on the dash, as well as door panels with brown wood trims and aluminum trims all around. Looks really nice. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what the A8 have to offer.
Yeah, we might have to come back and see.
Under the hood is a 4-liter TFSI twin-turbocharged 32-valve V8 engine featuring Quattro permanent all-wheel drive with 40-60 torque split, 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, pushing out 435 horsepower and 444 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 130 mph per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 18 city, 29 highway, and 22 combined. Alright, now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here's the look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with brown section in the middle, as well as brown wood trims. Looks really nice. Alright, 2-position memory seating for both driver and passenger. And all 4 windows are fully automatic. And here's the control to your side view mirror. It also has folded options. Alright, down there you have the storage compartment and the trunk release buttons. Alright, also have another storage compartment right there. Here's the Audi A8 aluminum door seal. And there's the pedals. Alright, the premium package gives both front seats a 22-way power adjustable front seats, including 4-way power lumbar supports and adjustable headrest, and 2 preset memory for both front seats, steering wheel, as well as outside mirror. Both front seats offer ventilated and heated options, as well as massaging functions, and the luxury package also adds a comfort sport seat with diamond stitching on it. Looks really nice. Alright, now let's jump into the driver's seat and see how it feels. Driver's seats feel really comfortable and does offer plenty of rooms. Really nice gauge. Now the car does come with push start and stop buttons. To start up the engine, just put your foot on the brake and push the start button to start the engine. But in this case, the car is in the showroom, so it's not convenient to start up the engine. So I'm just going to start up all the electrical component so you can take a look at it. Really nice gauge. Alright, the 4-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with aluminum accenting trims all around. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel while driving. Behind the wheel is the set of paddle shifter, just in case you want to put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. Alright, steering wheel also features tilt and telescopic steering column. And here you have your high beam and signal light controlled. And over to the right you have your windshield wiper controlled. And here's the driver's side air vent, light controlled, fog lights, odometer light controlled, and here's a closer look at the dash. You have your heads-up display right there. Alright, and there is the large multimedia screen. Once you start the vehicle, the screen will automatically retract, and once you stop, it will automatically blend into the dash and hide it. Very nice features. This model also comes with Bang & Olufsen advanced surround sound system with 19 speakers and a total of 1400 watts, which will blow you and your passenger away with the sound quality. This model also comes with the premium package, which includes Audi Side Assist, Audi Presence Rear, top view camera, as well as heads-up display that I showed you earlier. Alright, and there's the Audi Multimedia Infotainment Touch Controller. The MMI Touch Controller can recognize handwriting, helping you enter a destination and phone number with ease. And you can also use the knob in the middle to move around screen or press down to select. And here we have the gearbox. Just press the unlock buttons and then you can freely move it to reverse, drive, or neutral. There you have your park and brake, and dual cup holder for front passenger, as well as the cigarette lighter. And here you have the center storage compartment with the media interface cable. And here's your glove box compartment. Another convenient package that this model comes with is the driver assistant package, which includes Audi cruise control with stop and go function, Audi active lane assist, Audi Presence Plus, as well as high beam assistant. Alright, that's one of the Bang & Olufsen speakers. Looks really nice. Alright, on top you have the 3 buttons universal garage door opener, one touch open, close, and tilt panoramic sunroof. The panoramic sunroof featuring 2 glass panels covering roughly half of the roof, which let you bathe the cabins in natural light. And here you have the light controlled, sunglasses holder, alright, here you have the sun visor mirror, alright, now let's check out the rear seats. The rear is very spacious, and here's the look at the driver's side door panel for the rear. The rear seats also come equipped with a comfort package, which feature 5 passenger configurations, front passenger seats adjustment from the rear seats, separate power outboard seats with power lumbar supports, as well as ventilation, heated and massaging functions. Very nice. Okay, rear seats offer seating for 3. Looks really nice. And as you can see, plenty of leg rooms. Alright, let's jump into the seat and see how it feels. But first, let me show you the front cabins. Front cabin looks really nice. Very luxurious. Alright, down here you have 2 air vents, as well as 2 12-volt power plug and a cigarette lighter. Alright, this is how much legroom I have left with the seats all the way back. Here's the seats pocket. Alright, you're gonna be really comfortable in the back, and you're gonna feel like you're at home with all the nice features you have for the back. And there you have the little ashtray. On top you have the light controlled. Also another light controlled and the mirror for the rear, one on each side. Alright, here you have the armrest with dual climate control for the rear. Also comes with heated and ventilated options. And on the side you have the control for the outboard seats. A lot of functions. Alright, there you have the storage compartment, as well as two cup holders for the rear passengers. Very nice, very luxurious in the back. That's the look to the back. Alright, now let's check out the trunk and see how much space we have for cargo space. Alright, looks really spacious. Alright, the 2015 Audi A8 offer 18.3 cubic feet of cargo space, which is a lot more than the previous models. Down here you have your spare tires and your tools. Very nice. Alright, on top you have the lock button and one touch close. Alright, the gas cap is located on the passenger side. With the door unlocked, just push it one time to open the gas cap, and it does require premium unleaded fuel only. Alright, here is another look at the rear seat. Once again, really spacious in the back. Beautiful wood trims behind the front seat. Looks really nice. Now this model does come with a self-close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it'll close for you. Overall, the new 2015 Audi A8 is a vehicle that offers many luxurious features as well as upgraded technologies over the previous models. With the luxurious seats and finely crafted wood inlays and wealth of cutting-edge technology, you will wish that the journey will never end in the 2015 Audi A8. Once again, the 2015 Audi A8 is a full-size luxury sedan that offers seating for 5 and a very spacious cabin. Looks really nice. Alright, let's jump into the passenger seat and see how it feels. Very spacious and feel really comfortable. Have a lot of leg room. Very nice cabin. Alright, here's another look at the self-close automatic door. Very nice. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and leave me a comment below letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And also follow me on Facebook for more exclusive information about my channel. Link for that is down below, and I'll see you guys next time.